guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I'm Ada. Today we're going to be unboxing or unbagging my very first order from Woobles, and I'm excited for this one because I have seen them all over the place and people say that they're super easy for beginners. So my sisters and I are kind of like trying to crochet and whatnot, so I got these because I want to try it out. So let's see what's inside. This is the first one I got, and it is a dragon. I love the packaging. The packaging is really cute. On the back it says everything is included, so you get the yarn. There's a step-by-step video that you can use, which I will definitely be using because I don't really know how to crochet. I tried it like years ago, but I could not figure it out. So I'm really hoping that I can make these. It'll be fun. We can do it on a video together and you guys can see how easy or not easy these are for me to do. But it comes with the stuffing that you need. It comes with the 4mm crochet hook, and this one I do believe comes with the crochet hook it comes with. It showed that it has pictures of dragons on it, so I thought that was pretty cool. It comes with the plastic guys, yarn needle, and then it says like the online instruction. This one does say that it is intermediate, so I'm probably not going to start with the dragon one. And it says the time to complete this is typically between 3 to 8 hours. So we will see about that one. The other one I got is this cute dinosaur. And this one is for beginners. This one I got as it was like a bundle. So it does have other things that came with it. But again, this one comes with the yarn, the step-by-step video. This one does have the pre-started magic circle, which I am happy about because that is one thing when I tried to crochet before, I could not make a magic circle for the life of me. My fingers were just like, no, this is not for us. So I like that they have the magic circle started. And from what I saw from the Woobles TikTok page and everything, they say that they have the pre-started magic circle in these ones because you will learn how to make a magic circle in the instructions. You have to learn how to do a stitch before you can learn how to make the magic circle, so that's kind of why they started for you. So then I got this baby bee. I thought these little ones would be fun to maybe do at my daughter's practices, just because they're small and they might be easier to complete in the time that I'm there versus like one of these that say they take 3 to 8 hours to complete. I mean, obviously I can take it like multiple times and like work on different projects while I'm there, but I thought these little ones were so cute. And they were only, I think, like $5 for these. The dinosaur one, the bundle I got, it came with this cute little party hat that you can make for the dinosaur to wear, which I thought was so adorable. And it was only a few dollars more to get the bundle versus just buying the dinosaur Wooble by itself. Then we got this tiny coffee cup. And then a little briefcase for the dinosaur, because you never know when he needs his briefcase. Oh, another tiny coffee cup, which I'm going to assume is the mystery accessory, because my order did come with a free tin and a free mystery accessory, which I'm going to assume is the second coffee cup. And then we have our Wee Rex. Cute little baby dinosaur. And then a tiny book. And this one says the Wee Wooble Bits. And that's what the tin looks like. The tin doesn't come with anything in it. It's just a tin to put your little what do they call those things? Like you can put the yarn needle in it. You can put those little, I don't know what they're called right now, the little clips that you put on your stitch. I'm sure I will learn about those when making these. Let me know what you guys think of the Woobles. Have you guys tried Woobles? Are you interested in them? I do intend to later try a couple of like, I guess like the knockoff ones from like Amazon and stuff like that to see kind of how they compare to these. But I am super excited to try these. I cannot wait to share my creations with you guys. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to hit subscribe, and if you want to become a member, click that join button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.